How to fix Instagram Reels views not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on device and simply make sure you have logged into your account. Then tap on the search bar and simply search for Instagram just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. And here, as you can see, we have an update available. Simply tap on update and start updating the application. So let's start updating the application over here and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. So if you do have stable Wi-Fi connection, or if you do not have it, you can simply switch to a cellular data as well. Now after the app gets updated, what you can simply do is launch the Instagram application on your device, or you can just wait on Play Store itself and wait until you get the option of open over here. Right now it's updating, so you might have to wait for a few more seconds, a few more timing to fully get it updated over here on our device. So now all the updates are being installed on our device over here, so let's wait for a few more seconds over here. And here we have the option of open, so let's tap on open and it will lead us to our Instagram application. Now as we are launched onto Instagram application, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and simply select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down, and as you scroll down you'll be able to see different options over here. You can see under what you see category the option of like and share counts. Tap on it and make sure that you toggle off the option to hide like and share counts. So what this does is this will open up and this will be viewing or being given access to view counts on Instagram Reels. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.